Welcome back to 1% Daily, the podcast where small actions build massive change. Today, we're diving into something that could transform your life faster than any goal setting system: the words you choose to speak every single day. If you've ever caught yourself saying, "I'm so unlucky," or "I'll never get ahead," I want you to realize you're not just talking, you're predicting. Your words are not just describing your life, they're designing it. The hidden power in every sentence. Every time you speak, you're giving your brain a blueprint to follow. Neuroscientists know that our words literally rewire our brain's neural pathways, and over time, they become the filter through which we see the world. Think about it. When you constantly say, "I'm bad with names," you stop even trying to remember them. When you say, "I always get nervous in meetings," your body prepares for nervousness before the meeting even starts. The scary part: the brain doesn't care if your words are helpful or harmful. It will work to make them true either way. The story of the runner. I once read about a runner who constantly told himself, "I'm just not fast enough to win." For years, he placed fourth or fifth in races. One day, his coach told him, "You're done saying that. From now on, your only statement is, 'I'm training to be the fastest.'" It felt silly at first, but after a few months, not only did his times improve, his whole approach to training changed. A year later, he won his first race. The only thing that changed at the start? His words. Your inner voice shapes your outer world. The most important conversation you'll ever have is the one you have with yourself. And sadly, most people have a habit of talking to themselves in ways they'd never talk to someone they love. Here's a truth worth remembering. Your brain believes your voice more than anyone else's. If you tell yourself you're stuck, it won't look for a way forward. But if you tell yourself you're resourceful, your brain will start hunting for solutions. The cycle: words, thoughts, beliefs, actions, results. Words: "I'm just bad at saving money." Thoughts: you start seeing saving as impossible for you. Beliefs: you convince yourself, "I'll never be financially stable." Actions: you don't even try to save. Results: you remain broke, which reinforces the original statement. Now imagine you start with, "I'm learning how to manage my money." Suddenly, you look for tips, track your spending, and slowly, your reality shifts. Science behind it: the reticular activating system. Your brain has a built-in filter called the reticular activating system RAS. It decides what to notice and what to ignore. Your words give it instructions. Say, "I can't," often enough, and your RAS ignores opportunities. Say, "I'll figure it out," and it starts scanning for possibilities you never noticed before. Practical ways to use this power. 1. Catch the negative words. Spend one day listening to your own words. Every time you hear yourself say something limiting, pause and ask, "Do I want this to be true?" 2. Flip the script. Instead of, "I can't," say, "How can I?" Instead of, "I'm terrible at this," say, "I'm getting better every day." 3. Speak in the present tense. The brain responds more strongly to present tense affirmations. "I'm becoming healthier" is better than "I will be healthy." 4. Surround yourself with better language. Your vocabulary is contagious. Spend more time with people who speak with hope, action, and vision. 5. Affirm out loud. It might feel weird at first, but speaking affirmations out loud reinforces them in your brain in a way silent thoughts can't match. Why this matters for your future: if you start speaking as the person you want to be, confident, capable, determined, your brain begins aligning your actions with that identity. Over time, your words don't just reflect your life. They become the reason your life changes. So here's a question for you today. If your words are writing the script of your life, are you writing a tragedy or a triumph? Every word you speak is a seed. Plant words of doubt, and you'll harvest fear. Plant words of possibility, and you'll harvest growth. Your future self is listening to what you say right now. So speak in a way that gives them a life they'll thank you for. Thanks for joining me on 1% Daily. Remember, your words are building tomorrow, so choose them with care. Speak in a way that lifts you higher, even in small moments. I'll see you in the next episode. And yes, see you tomorrow.